Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On the quick panel, or in the quick panel, you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this. This is the mode icon, and you can tap on it. It will open this menu, modes menu, and here we have smart mode. This is the normal mode where you have access to all of the features of the watch, and you have the power saver, which allows you to basically turn off some of the features of the watch and save power in the process. So if you want to enable the power saving mode, simply tap on power saver, tap on on, and it will be enabled. Then tap on the check mark to confirm. And now we are in the power saving mode, and we have, as you can see, a lot less icons in the quick panel, and basically we have access to less features to save the power. And if you want to disable the power saving mode, simply open the quick panel, tap on the modes again, modes icon, and select the smart mode, then tap on enable. And after the watch is done rebooting, it will be back in the normal or the smart mode. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.